Are you tired of having skinny legs? Perhaps you're seeking to develop a more balanced physique, or maybe you're an athlete looking to improve your performance. Whatever your motivation, this guide aims to provide a comprehensive approach to building muscle mass and strength in your legs. Firstly, understand that the journey to building stronger legs is not a sprint, but a marathon. Developing muscle mass and strength requires time, patience, and consistent effort. So buckle up and prepare for the journey. The initial step in this journey is to fuel your body properly. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in muscle growth. A balanced diet rich in protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats is essential for muscle development and recovery. Remember to hydrate well and consider supplements if necessary. Moving on, let's delve into the world of exercise. It's crucial not to skip lower body workouts. Incorporating exercises such as squats, lunges, deadlifts, and calf raises into your routine can be highly beneficial. These compound movements engage multiple muscles at once, promoting muscle growth and strength. In addition to these exercises, high-intensity interval training or HIIT can be a game changer. This form of training involves short bursts of high-intensity exercise followed by short periods of rest. Not only does it burn calories, but it also stimulates muscle growth and improves endurance. Moreover, consistency is key. Consistently challenging your muscles with progressive overload is a proven method for muscle growth. This means gradually increasing the weight, frequency, or number of repetitions in your workouts over time. Now, you might be wondering about the role of rest in muscle development. Well, resting is just as important as working out. It's during rest that your muscles repair and grow. Hence, ensure you're getting enough sleep and taking rest days between intense workout sessions. In summary, building muscle mass and strength in your legs involves a mix of proper nutrition, regular strength training, high-intensity workouts, progressive overload, and adequate rest. It's a journey that requires commitment and patience, but the results are worth the effort. Remember, everyone's body is different, and what works for one might not work for another. So experiment, find what works best for you, and embrace the journey. With consistent effort and a positive mindset, you're on your way to stronger, more muscular legs. In the end, it's not just about the destination, but also about the journey. It's about setting goals, embracing challenges, and celebrating progress. So start today and embark on your journey to stronger legs. It's a journey that promises not just stronger legs, but also a stronger you.
Thanks for watching Body Blaster Insights. If you enjoyed today's insights, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's build a positive community together. Stay motivated, stay positive, and keep thriving.